how can you make a specific app download faster on your iPad, for example, when you're setting it up for the first time or literally anytime. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So of course, if you are downloading some apps from the App Store and it's like more apps and at the same time, especially like the larger apps, it might take a while for them to be downloaded and installed. And the way that it works is that if you have like more apps on the home screen which are currently being downloaded, you can hold down on one of them and then decide to prioritize the download. So that is likely the thing you have in mind. Like you literally just choose that this app is more important, right? So I want to make sure that this one gets downloaded first, and then the other one, I have time for that one. So that's the whole point behind it. As I said, it's especially useful when you are like setting up your iPad, because then you have like hundreds of apps downloading and at the same time, and you might want to prioritize one or two of them to get those downloaded quickly, and make sure you skip on the rest, or at least let them take their time. So if that's the thing you had in mind, I just quickly wanted to show you how you can use it. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the upcoming videos as well.